Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the Occlusion Shadow Quality in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on the clipboard in the main menu, or by pressing the escape key and opening settings. Once in settings, select graphics and scroll to the graphics section. In here, look for Occlusion Shadow Quality. Here we have few different presets to choose from. Select one of them. We have high, medium, low and off. You can see the difference in the background. Once you make your choice, simply hit apply and then hit close. Hit return to game, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.